Well, there's a lot of things that can go wrong. The advantage of having a phase gate process is if you've identified all the various steps you believe you need to go through to complete the new product introduction process, you may take some shortcuts. And if you do that, at least you're identifying which shortcuts you took, and you're keeping a record of that. If you get it wrong and you have to go back through the design process again, it has an impact on various things. Obviously, it would impact the MPI engineering budget. It will release your it have an impact on your product release date. Further down the line, it could have an impact on your product cost, on your product quality, your customer return rates, and overall, it have a very negative effect on your company's business plans.
The main thing is if you have a stage gate process, this is going to take some time, and it's a trade-off. If you don't follow your gates, you'll lose a lot of time. So oddly, gates cost you time up front, but they make you agile later.